If you just had a team, like if you just had a team of sales guys that just run those calls, like so now you're not the one that has to deal with these 80 leads that are coming in per month. But like think
Yeah,
about how cush that is for a salesperson that doesn't even have to knock their own doors. And
right.
then what
I,
you
I want him to knock doors though. He didn't, just like
well
I had.
and they should. And actually I have a I'm trying to think which one lesson this is in. So what I really recommend doing for like inbound leads that are free, here's what they used to do in Cutco. In Cutco, when I was a salesperson, when someone would call the office and be like, I want to buy a knife set, that's like a slam dunk, right? Who are we gonna
Yeah,
give who are we gonna give that lead to though? We're gonna give it to the person who's done the most that week. Every time. Because they've earned it. We're not gonna give it to like Joe who's done one appointment this week. Joe needs it the most, but he hasn't earned it. So this is like an incentivized thing. Like, hey, inbound leads. Like, let's just say you could make some sort of a mark that they have to hit, whether that's the number of inspections they completed or signed, or the number of contracts they've gotten that week, or the number of like you could make it a contest every week, number of referrals that they've gotten. Whoever hits, you have to hit this mark to qualify for free leads from the office,
yeah, for sure.
right? So that's how I would do that, incentivize it, and then just teach them, like, guys, by the way, if Mrs. Jones calls our office and she lives on Oak Street and you go to her house, free lead, you get up there and she had 15 missing shingles, guess what? The neighboring houses probably look pretty similar, right? It's really, really easy to get those. Those are slam dunks. We want to help out the neighbors and we want to get you more jobs. It's really easy to come down and say, hey, Mrs. Jones, by the way, I noticed like most of the houses on your street are roughly the same age, and I'm guessing if you've got damage, a lot of the roofs right around you have it too. Do you know your neighbors very well? Oh yeah, next door is Linda, and over here's Jack. It's like, hey, cool. I'm probably gonna pop over there afterward and just chat with your neighbors and let them know what I found on your roof. Blah blah blah. So just let them know. Be like, knock that 6 pack right around that. You do that every single time. Call me after you do. I want to hear how it went. So now you're like telling them what to do, getting them excited about it. You're making it make sense. Like, duh, that's a no-brainer, right? And how easy are those leads? We now know the neighbors' names here, so we're gonna sign those up. So it's just teaching them those habits. Like, teach them that's
Mm,
normal,
yeah.
right?